Webull stock is announcing its quarterly earnings tomorrow, and as you can see, we are already starting to build excitement. And I'll talk about that in just a second, but the earnings is going to be announced exactly at 4 p.m. Eastern time, and then the phone call begins at 5 p.m. I'm going to live stream the first part, so I'm going to start right at 3:50 p.m., and then we'll hopefully catch that announcement and see which way this goes. So make sure you subscribe for that. You don't want to miss out that live stream. This is going to be huge for Webull. Hopefully we catch a huge wick up. But let's quickly break this down. So our high today was 870 and our low was 802. We are down 2.15%, but we are up closer to 4% after hours. Tomorrow there's a couple, well actually there's three reports, economic reports coming out. Average hourly earnings, employment change, and unemployment rate. All three of those are going to be announced at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So that could definitely affect all stocks and pretty much the entire market. We'll see how that's how that plays out, but that's going to be right before market opens, about an hour before market opens. But going into this, look what happened today. Yesterday we created this low of 791 and then we popped off. Today we sold off, but we didn't sell off quite as low. We actually kept above 803. Yeah, 803. So that's actually really good sign. And then we broke through the not the 4 hour, the 1 hour EMA for the second round here. And this is probably because of all the excitement. So technicals don't really matter right now because what will really matter is what they announce. If they announce something really good and if their earnings were amazing, this could really pop off. If they announce earnings that were way worse than expected, we could see another leg down. So technicals don't really matter. The fact that this is starting to show positive signs is because the excitement of the earnings. So this is pretty much showing that sellers don't want to sell anymore, and we are now starting to slowly reverse. For us to confirm, well, not to confirm, but for us to start to break the sell-off phase, we would have to break above this point here, which is 903. We still haven't broke through that. Hopefully tomorrow we break through that, but we will see. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.